Necessities are cheap, but luxury goods are expensive. Why? Market economics often have lower prices for essential goods and services compared to less essential goods and services. Water is an essential commodity but is sold at a fraction of the cost of diamonds, which are luxury items but not essential. iPhones are not valuable because they go through expensive manufacturing. It's valuable because people subjectively value the iPhone highly. The universal availability of water makes the price low or negligible. Diamonds, meanwhile, have a limited supply and are costly to produce, so they are most expensive. Say, you were dying of thirst in a desert. You would probably sell all your diamonds to buy a liter of water. Diamonds would be cheaper if the supply increased significantly. Would you buy more diamonds? Most likely not, since people won't subjectively value it highly. This is the paradox of value, which describes the vast difference between the prices of certain essential goods and non-essential goods. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.